Hello, yes, this is Rednecking with Blake Miley, Part 1. Hey guys, Block A here. It's Saturday morning. Just had me a nice cup of Joe. Ready to start my day with the Mustang. So I don't know what to really call this. I don't know if this is really a Project Millennium video or just like a basic vlog. All I know is that there's a car meet tonight and trying to get that car ready for it. Yesterday my friend Jimmy, he buffed the car for me. It looks phenomenal, but it rained afterwards. Under the carport, but it still rained. And now the whole front bumper is trashed, covered with dirt and stuff. My friend Jimmy has a Vortec SN95. I think it's like a 96 or something. PI, Vortec, and he let me drive it the other day. I mean, look, just going around this car now, looks a lot better. Damn, Marine. Man, it's hot as freaking balls out here, guys. It's like 86 degrees, and it's like, what, 3 o'clock? Okay guys, so I have a bit of a question here to ask anybody who knows anything about this kind of stuff. My carpet is just damp. It's a little damp, not really anything like spectacular. It's not really like flooded or nothing, but like I could just feel it's you know, it's a little damp. Back here it's much worse. It's very damp. But up here, you know, it's a little moist, and like up here, you know, it's all like slimy. What could cause that? What could be the cause of the floor getting wet right here? Let me know, please, and I'll show a video of me fixing it, but I have no clue. I plan to replace this carpet anyways, so it's not that big of a deal if I have to lift it up. It looks like it's molded on camera, but it's not, I swear. It's not molded. Actually, guys, throwback to when I first bought this thing, a video that was never released on this channel. Hey guys, welcome to the third installment of the Project Millennium, my 2000 Mustang GT. That was $200. Today we're going to give it a nice detail because it's dirty. I have an engine for it to put in it, but I can't put it in it right this minute, so I thought, you know, all I could do is really look at the thing, so might as well make it look good. So that's what today's going to be about. I bought some stuff. I bought a foam cannon to go in my garden hose. I've never washed a car like that before, so if I'm doing it wrong. Hello, yes, this is Rednecking with Blake Miley, Part 1. Hey guys. Okay, touchless wash done. I'm putting this thing back, gonna go get me a shower, and I may or may not continue this video till tonight at this car meet I'm going to. Might get some racing action, but we'll see about that. Okay guys, so I was in the process of editing the video of me detailing this yesterday. I unfortunately didn't get any footage of my car last night. But for now guys, thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one. And yeah, also guys, there's something I wanted to ask you guys. I want to name my car, but I don't have a good name. Like there's Blue 2 Valve, there's, you know, just like all sorts of people, like YouTubers and personalities like to give their car more of a personality by naming it. And I want my car to have a name, but there's not really a good name for it. So just let me know.